What makes this portable system, the Retro Game 350, really awesome? Homebrew Games. So, welcome to the Wicked Gamer and Collector. In today's video we're going to do some extended testing. We're going to play some Homebrew Games. We can play a lot of retro game on device because it's one big emulation machine. We did a lot of reviews and extended testing already, so don't forget to check out the playlist of the device. But this video we're going to check Homebrew Games. So stay tuned and let's go. Alright, what you can see, we have a lot of Homebrew Games pre-installed. There are many more to download and to add to your system, but we're going to do small gaming and we're just going to see what's all available for this machine. Okay, these come pre-installed, so I'm guessing all of these systems have the Homebrew game. And I have really no clue how to fly this plane. Oh, I just need to press forward or something like this. Yeah. And I'm going to get killed again. You're getting the point. Next game. This is going to be in silent gaming because there's basically no sound. Ooh. This game is based on a very old game from the DOS era. Or maybe you have played a similar game on the Atari. In other words, a lot of these weird games. Alright. Always fun when you play it for the first time, thinking, what do I need to do? Okay, we need to find the same cube and remove them like this. Block rage. Let's see, what is this? More like in columns with no background song. Okay, you're going to change the colors with the D-pad. Okay, let's see, I can make a set. Yes, I did. Very nice. I'm guessing you need to make it 3 in a row. Oh, just convenient that we have multiple colors now. So it is more like Cave Story is a very familiar game. Oh, we can even choose the resolution. Oh, accidentally go back to the menu. I'm just going to be honest, I have never played this game before. Or seriously. But this is a game you can find basically on every device, LDK, you name it. Everything that runs on OpenDingus you can play it on. It's not very demanding, so did mess around with it. Look what to do. Oh, you can save from this point. And just go to the end or what? Right, let's check another one. Dink Smallwood. Yes, right. Oh, it's a point and click or what? For the people who really like point and click games, this can be something you're going to enjoy. Oh no point and click game. Oh, can I punch people? I want to punch you. I want to punch you. Come on, I want to punch you in the face. Come here, come here. Can I exit the room? Why do I get this Diablo feeling with this game? I don't know if this game was released on DOS in the Pentium 1 and 2 era, back in the 90s. Nice, have you been practicing that when you're picked? What the hell? Nothing happened. Alright, so this is a game that is very cool. Free Doom, and what I think very cool about it, it's the old Doom, only it looks a little bit better. Awesome music, and we can use both analog sticks. So we have the optimal use of this system, as you can see here. And then yeah, basically, of course, pressing the freaking wrong button. But I'm just going to be honest, it's very sensitive. This game looks very nice, and of course, plays just fine. Ow. Ooh, I think I'm going to get a new gun. Nice. Shotgun, one of my favorites. So I think this is really cool. With the retro game, these are just games that you need to have. And of course, we're having the use for both analog sticks. Because most games you play on it barely use all of the buttons. So if you have an LK, you need to check this out. Or of course, retro game or a system that runs this game. But the best thing is to play the retro game. Alright, yes, that took a couple of seconds, but still. The Griffin Legend. A little bit of stuttering. So what I really like about these homebrew stuff is that there are so many variations of games. Even if you're interested in just playing homebrew games, this is very cool. It's a big community behind the retro game system from China. And good soundtracks. Nice. If you're thinking you have seen everything, you get a game like this. Oh my god, this is an Angry Bird game. So also we're having this basic games. I love it. Right, so it's already even a homebrew game of King of Fighters. I did play it on other systems and it was not very nice, or it was not running very good. Very curious if there was more like a hardware issue, or the game was just pretty horrible. Let's find out. Okay, if this is the same game, if I remember it from the LDK, this runs fine. It runs very nice. I'm guessing it was more like a hardware issue or something. Wow. Cool game. It would be cool if they bring up. Alright, so we're having the Minesweeper, a very classic game. Oh my god, it's really cool. You lose. AB. Let's see. Ah. Let's see if I can. Oh, shame. Open beats Rage, of Rage was, if I'm saying it correctly. So this is more like an engine, or an engine where you can create your own beat 'em up games. Castlevania beat 'em up. Okay, let's see. Let's see what we can play. Loading time takes quite long. Ooh, cool. Oh, that is really cool. I've never seen it before. I always noticed that they are using, let's say, more like the Street of Rage and Golden Axe layout. But this is very cool. You can run. Alright, let's see what we can do more. Oh, let's go. This looks very surprising. Oh, loading time. This is very nice. Oh, the super move. Oh, very cool. Oh, even. Okay, that was not a very good idea. Oh, you can bash multiple characters. Whoa. Right, so this is basically what you're going to do. Whip them because you're all naughty. Is that when you end to this stage, or? Yeah, it's really cool that they created this Whoa, whoa, this guy needed a lot of hits. Again? You're naughty. Okay, I'm guessing there are coming more of these big guys. Oh, again, I fall for it. Right, so this is something I've never seen before. Open Sonic. So they created a freeware version of Sonic the Hedgehog. And it looks pretty amazing. The fun thing is that it looks more like, let's say, in Lost Vikings. So for the people who didn't play Lost Vikings, you need to use all the characters to reach the end. More like an adventure puzzle game. But they did a really great job with this. For example, I need to stand on this button. Let's go to Sonic. And now we can go to the other part. Right, so I'll keep the last game and the best game, in my opinion. Street of Rage Remake, very awesome game. And on this system it runs very good. Still have a little hiccups. I don't know if it's a software problem or if it's a hardware problem. That it has still a little bit, let's say, too less RAM or the CPU is not powerful enough. But sometimes you can see it needs to load up. Let's see, let's play a little bit. But it plays perfectly on the Wickedfamily 350. If you look at the controls, everything. You cannot use the analog stick, but maybe you can map it. Ow. I don't see any hiccups at the moment. I played the game before a couple of times and I did notice that something needs, let's say, 1 up to 2 seconds of loading time. Not a big of a deal, but... Alright, so let's play a little bit of Quake II. This is a game that was very demanding and game systems like LDK, Retro Game, did have a little problems with it if they could run it. Alright, as you can see, it does use both sticks. But as you can see, we're having jump over here, so it's pretty pointless. Right, let's play a little bit. But I need to really get used to the system itself. Oh, run for it. This play is very cool. And this is something you also can find in the Homebrew community. A Zelda game, custom made. So pretty unique if you ask me. Right, so if you take a close look at the graphics, it looks amazing. It's more like SNES 16-bit graphics they are using in this game. But the soundtrack is from Banjo-Kazooie, if I'm saying it correctly. I'm going to get attacked by crabs. Yes. They are killing me, the crabs. I like the soundtrack, man. I like this remake. I don't have a clue where to go, but you're getting the point with this game. Is this in French language or something like that? Oh. How can I open the chest? There's nothing. Alright people, so The reason I wanted to make this video is very simple. I just wanted to show you the homebrews are on this device. This pre-installed, but there are many to download from many sites. There's a big community behind the Open Dinguks. I think it's a really great device. Beside the point you can play a lot of retro games, the homebrew games is something you really need to check out. Because this is amazing. For example, the Zelda game, maybe there are some other versions. But I know, well, very cool. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the little bell for more awesome Wicked content. And see you in the next video. And for more gameplay, check the Wicked Gaming channel. Because we have a lot of stuff going on there.